guys, welcome back to Joy Kitchen. Today the recipe is chicken curry, and these are all my ingredients. This time I'm using 3 chicken breast boneless, garlic, potato, carrots, celery, then yellow, red, and green bell pepper. So now I have to put the oil, cooking oil. I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons. It's so hot. Then I have to put the garlic. Then chicken. Then now I have to put the chicken bouillon. I will use 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Two tablespoons of chicken bouillon. And then I have to cook the chicken for 15 minutes. The chicken, it's been cooking for 15 minutes. Now, my vegetables is ready to put in the pot. And also the celery. So you mix it well. So this, since there's no water, I have to add Sprite. I'm adding Sprite instead of water, okay? As you can see here, there's no water. Okay, as you can see here, there is no water. So I'm gonna add a half cup of Sprite. Then I will cook the vegetables until it's tender. Always medium. So, my vegetables, it's been cooking for 20 minutes. Now I have to add the last ingredients I have, which is the bell pepper. I have to cook the bell pepper another 10 minutes. Okay, the bell pepper has been cooking for 10 minutes. Now I have to add the curry powder. First, I have to put 1 tablespoon in the cup and put the Sprite. Pour into the pan. Then another 1 tablespoon of curry powder. This is done. So only half a cup. Okay? So this is my chicken curry, guys. It's very simple and easy recipe. Okay, I will put back the lid and I will cook another 10 minutes. Okay, my my chicken curry is done. Here's my chicken curry. The ingredients is listed in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful evening. Bye!